Chibayule tun chumchu Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board nuaya naruak dil theite kan enho le donani tun chuma naruak te hi category palia then theyanga teacher clerk patuari chu village officer le councillor te annia tun chuma hian ST le UR big che hi kan tilanga SC le EWS kan tiang chi kha kan tilang don lawani achan chu ST tribal tan hian UR le ST yang chawa dil thei wanga nia ama saberin teacher category hi lowen masaila teacher kan ti hian in group B non gazette post annia trained graduate teacher Hindi female B ka mai chatan B post zanga somnga le pakhat arwaka ST tan hian somret panga UR thum le som arwaka ni trained graduate teacher Hindi male mi patan post zanga somnga le paruk arwaka ST tan B hian som pathum UR unreserved category open kan han tiang chi kha zathum somni pakua arwaka ni ichon pathum na trained graduate teacher natural science male big tan ani leya post sangkhat le somli arwaka ST tan somre le pakua UR zali somre pahni ani trained graduate teacher natural science pokha female tan post zaria somni pali arwaka ST tan za somli paruk UR tan zathum somthum pakua trained graduate teacher maths B ka female tan post sangkhat za somruk pasari arwaka ST tan zahni somni pakhat UR tan zathum somkwale pasari trained graduate teacher maths thau mi patan zakwa somret le pariat post arwaka ST tan za somli pathum UR tan hian zathum somret pariat arwaka ni trained graduate teacher social science subject B ka male mi patan zali somruk pakua chuta chon ST tan pahni UR tan zahni somkwale panga trained graduate teacher social science female mai chatan B khian zaruk somruk pahni post arwaka pumpuya ST tan zale pahni UR tan khan zathum somli pakhat arwaka ni trained graduate teacher Bengali subject male hian pakhat UR tan pakhat ania assistant teacher primary B ka hianin heta hianin director of education department B ka nia primary apokhan zali somthum pali apumpuya arwaka ST tan somthum le pathum UR tan zathum le som pathum te ania assistant teacher nursery B ka somsari le pali arwaka ST tan pathum UR tan somnga le pahni chuan assistant teacher primary a thokhan New Delhi Municipal Council ania heta hianin post za somni arwaka ST tan pasari UR tan somli le panga khangte kha teacher B ka post ruakte ania chuan clerk en leila junior secretariat assistant LDC anti bokha zahni somsari pariat apumpuya ruaka ST tan somni le pakhat UR tan zale sompali councillor somnga arwaka ST tan pathum UR tan somni pahni head clerk som pahni ruaka UR tan pasari ST tan post ruak omlawani patwari village officer ang chikha post so maruaka ST tan omlawa UR tan paruk arwakani khangte kha DSSSB Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board nuaya post ruakte naruakte nia khang naruak dil thei turte eligible criteria lo entaila India citizen India khwale tuip to phot khan an dil thei ni kha na kha Delhi ania wangkhanin Delhi state big chau khan an dil thei lawa Mizoram te tin North East te tin state dang all India khan an dil thei ni tin educational qualification experience te advertisement an chu anga khatiang qualification nei te khan an dil thei ni India khwale tui ni to phot chuanin khakha hria turani kumbi thlia age limit lo en leila trained graduate teacher sautan khan kumsom thum pahni ai upalo ani turania tin assistant teachers primary B ka po khan somthum ai upalo ani turania assistant teacher nursery kha po kha somthum ai upalo ani tur ani bokani junior secretariat assistant LDC kanti kha kumsom pariat atanga somni le pasari in kartan adil thenga councillor kumsom thum ai upalo head clerk po kha kumsom thum ai upalo ni turania patwari village officer kanti kha kumsom ni pakhat le somni pasari in kar khan andil thei bok ani ti chuan age relaxation kha kan soi tel lova SC ST tan khan upper age relaxation a khan kum nga ngai na thiam na a oma OBC tan kum thum PWD kan ti rual ban lo tan kum som rual ban lo STSC tan kum som panga rual ban lo OBC tan kum som pathum kum lama khan upper age relaxation a khan ngai na thiam na a omani pay scale lo en leila trained graduate teachers ho kha kan soita kan khan group B non gazette an nia level 8 an nia cheng sing rukvel thlatin an hlodon ni assistant teachers hei hi level 6 ania thlatin sing le sangriat borvel an hlodon ani junior secretariat assistant LDC hei hi group C ania thlatin sing ni le sangriat borvel an hlodon ani counselor hei po hi group B level 6 ania thlatin singli le sangriat borvel an hlodona head clerk hi group C level 8 ania head clerk ania group C apo level 8 ania singruk borvel an hlodona ni assistant teacher omle assistant teacher hi group B level 6 non gazette ania singli le sangriat borvel an hlonga tin patwari ho hi group C an ni dona group C apo level 3 an nia singthum le zanga borvel an hlodon ani thiam na ngai te en leila educational qualification a hianin trained graduate teachers ho big tan khan bachelor's degree BA graduate kan ti ho le atluk pui ho tan adil thenga tin khami teachers a po khan subject rang maths te social science natural science ang chi kha om tani khatiang related subject B ka BA graduate ang chi kha khang ho tan khana dil thenga 45% marks aggregate mu angai bokani assistant teacher nursery tan khan senior secondary school class 12 pachin tan emo atluk pui tan dil thenga 45% aggregate kha mu angai bokani khaba ka khanin diploma certificate anti thin B8 emo khatiang nursery teacher education program ang chi certificate kha nei angai ani junior secretary assistant LDC deal tur chuanin metric pass chin angaya class 10 pass chin angaya ani lo pon khami tluk pui kha angai ani tin typing test typing kan tia hianin 35 words per minute khata 35 words type man ni angai bokani counselor na deal tur chuanin bachelor graduate chin kha angaya bachelor in psychology emo applied psychology ang chi kha thiamna nei angai ni postgraduate big tan diploma in counseling psychology ni angaya experience minimum kum khat nei angai bokani head clerk na dil tur chuanin bachelor's degree graduate chin tho khangaya tin computer proficiency computer certificate kan ti angkha nei angai bokani assistant teacher primary tan class 12 pass chin minimum 50% aggregate marks kha class 12 akan mungaya 2 years and diploma course kha D8 DLET an tiang chi kha nei ngaya tin secondary class 12 akhanin 43% tal kha mark mu angai bokani chung ho tan chuanin diploma in elementary education DLET kan tiang chi kha nei ngaya khang ho tan kha chuanin 43% class 12 akhan mark mu angai ni Patwari village officer kan ti ho tan kha chuanin bachelor's degree graduate chin emo atluk pui tan khan adil thei bokani selection process lo enila selection process a hianin exam pahni a oma chu one tier examination le two tier examination ania kan hriat tu chu one tier examination hi technical post ho big tan ania chuta chuanin section A le section B omanga MCQ ani vek don ani two tier ho ve thung ka chu general post ho tan khan anianga naruak ho zinga khan general post ho tan anianga chuta chuanin part 1 le part 2 omanga part 1 kha MCQ anianga part 2 ro chu descriptive essay writing le letter zia kan tiang chi te kha expansion kan tiang chi te kha ani don ani syllabus an en thuakela one tier ho ka chuanin kan soita kan khanin section A le B omanga section A hi general awareness general intelligence and reasoning ability arithmetic and numerical ability English comprehension khatiang chi te kha an nianga section B ka hianin technical post big tan ania khata khanin an subject related b ka khan exam an nei don ani kha kan hriat angai ni chuan tier 2 ho ka chu general tan anianga ka ta khanin part 1 a general intelligence and reasoning, quantitative ability, general awareness with special emphasis on history, culture, demography, geography and economy of Delhi ti te Delhi chungchang khania chunchu Delhi post ani wang hianin chuan administrative setup and governance in NCT of Delhi tiang chi te tin English language and comprehension le pangana computer proficiency khang te kha part 1 syllabus an nianga part 2 a chuanin descriptive essay yang chi kha English ani dona tin letter writing te expansion of ideas English book kha ani dona ni khang te kha syllabus lang pui 1 tier le 2 tier examination ate anni examination fee chungchang kha in le taila general MO OBC category kan ti tan khan chengza choenga ya SC ST PWD rualban lo kan tiang chi te ex servicemen kan ti hotan kha chuanin poisa choi aum ve lo ani a free ani doni ti kha hret turani tuna naruwa kan han soitak DSSSB naruak te kha online atanga apply turani ya heta hianin online atanga apply na tur big website an nei tin anma anin DSSSB official website kha an nei kha hriat pol lo turani ya online atanga kan apply don ni chuan anma ani official website ni lawin online atanga apply thei na website anma ani azok khan kan apply don ani chu Delhi online application portal ani ya website chu dsssbonline.nic.in dsssbonline.nic.in khamia khan Google kan lutanga ti chuanin registration ti tur alo omanga registration kan ti zo nuwa khanin form kan fill up don ani post kan du ber ni china naruwa kan soitak post kan du ber kha kan select anga ti chuanin document upload ngai kan tiang chi te thil dang chi kha kan upload don ani form kha kan fill up to mai don ani advertisement syllabus le post work le thil hriat tur poimo te kan hrichiang du ni chuanin dsssb.delhi.gov.in chu DSSSB official website online atanga apply na ni lawin an official website zoga khan kan enanga chu dsssb.delhi.gov.in kamia khanin kan lo enanga kan lo check out tanga chuta chuanin advertisement ang chi te syllabus te question hluyang chi te tin online mock test ti na po kha unofficial website ta khan omvekani kan lo check out mai don nia ichuanin nipoi mote han en leila opening date of online application online atanga application ti theina kha meni somni panga atang khani dai towa tichuan last date of application hi June ni somni pali tun thlani somni le pali ani last date of application ma ngai khan apply kan lo tum don nia ole khan song kha tun tum kan video a DSSSB Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board waya narwa kan en ho thei te ni sila video thatak tak nen kanin mule don nia clear tu te mutui mang thau le